Have you ever wondered if we could make our own gravity? I mean, movies like Interstellar just flip a switch and boom, gravity. But here in the real world, things are a bit trickier. First, let's clear something up. Gravity isn't just a button you press. It's a force created by mass. Think planets, stars, or that epic stack of pancakes you had for breakfast. But in space, where there's hardly any mass, astronauts float around because there's almost zero gravity. And that's actually a problem. Our bodies need gravity to stay healthy. Without it, muscles weaken, bones get brittle, and your sense of balance gets totally confused. So could we make artificial gravity? Well, technically yes, by spinning things. Imagine a huge space station like a giant bicycle wheel spinning in space. As it spins, the force pushes everything inside toward the outer edge. That force feels like gravity, even though it's technically centrifugal force. The faster you spin, the stronger it feels. But spin too fast, and you'll feel dizzy or even sick. It's a balancing act, literally. There are other ways too, but spinning is the only method we actually know how to do with current technology. Building a spinning station big enough for people to live comfortably? That's still science fiction for now. But who knows? Maybe in my lifetime I'll get to walk on a rotating space habitat and feel gravity in the middle of the cosmos. So, next time you watch astronauts float by, remember, it's not magic, just physics. And maybe, just maybe, we'll make our own gravity someday. How cool would that be?